I am right now.
No!
Break it. Break it. You can't quit. Come on, Superman. Get it.
Yeah, right.
His face is like. You can get it. He looks so funny pushing on a tree. Man, that's just totally gonna fall down. What if that fell? What's gonna fall? It sounds like it's cracking. Man, you're so strong.
Whatever.
That doesn't look funny to you. I think this is gonna get quite a many views on YouTube, dude.
Whatever.
Do I not own a YouTube?
Huh?
Do I not own a YouTube?
Yeah.
You better not.
I won't.
No, most of those videos are about me.
I'll keep it private, then only I can see it. Dude, that's gonna fall and it's gonna like smack you on your head. Get it, son, get it.
It's not falling for a long time.
Really, Caleb? And how do you know this?
You're trying way too hard.
Trying what? Come on. Oh yeah, you got a stick, man. Don't. This costs a lot. Say bye and then I'll shut it off. No.
Bye.
No. Say bye. You're trying to abuse me. Oh, that would have hurt if I was my head. I said say bye and he was like, say bye. You're a turd.